Good evening, everybody. Legacy games are games that make changes that will remain in place the next time that you play. For example, you might add a sticker to the board that will make changes for all future games, or you will open up an envelope that will add rules and components that will change all future games. Today, let's take a quick look at a game that can be played both as a legacy game and as a regular game. This is My City by Rainer Knizia, published by Cosmos. It's one of the best games from 2020, so let's get going. In My City, you will place your tetris-shaped buildings onto your board to cover the light green countryside and rocks, while trying to keep tree spaces clear and keeping your colors adjacent where you can. Everyone will be playing the same piece onto their own board at the same time, but making their own choices for what they think is best. This is great because everyone is engaged all the time, keeping the game playing quickly. When playing the legacy game, it will change and evolve through 24 games. Each of the 8 chapters will add new rules and components to your game. My City really uses this legacy concept to make for an amazing series of experiences that are best when you play with the same group for all 24 episodes, about 8 hours total. Or use the other side to play a non-legacy game over and over. So that's My City by Rainer Knizia, a game that really gets at that Tetris-like puzzle-solving experience, all while wrapped in the variety and arc of a legacy game. If you like games like Blockus or Barren Park or Patchwork, this is a really great fit. If you found this video useful in determining whether My City is going to be a good choice for your next game night, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to check out our virtual barrister service where you can have a live video chat with us right from our website. I'm Gordon from the Board Game Barrister, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.